Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 22nd of November 2023. As I said yesterday, we're going into the Thanksgiving celebrations. Markets very, very quiet, which makes it very difficult when the markets are in a sideways move. And this is to be expected during this celebratory time that they have in the US. So just be warned, today, tomorrow and Friday will be very difficult. But yesterday, bonds and bullion bid on bad data as banks and big tech give back gains from Friday. And stocks were subdued amid soft data and pre-Thanksgiving positioning, while FOMC minutes had little impact as well, which were released last night. Economic news today, ECB stability review, autumn forecast statement from the UK. And we've also got unemployment claims, core durable goods and revised sentiment from the US from 1:30 to 3 p.m. So let's have a look at yesterday. It's going to be a bit of a whistle-stop tour because there's not an awful lot to report, and I'm sort of debating whether to down tools until Monday when the markets will return back to normal. But we'll see what happens today. So starting off with the Dow, we can see that the market's very quiet. An inside bar for yesterday as well, but sitting on top of the 5-bar moving average at the moment. Really quiet. You can see there the range is very, very narrow, just 100 points for the Dow there. Overnight, so the market's managed a 70-point move, finding support at the DP, 20 MA and 50 EMA. So again, like I say, very quiet indeed. German DAX inside bar, very quiet, below the 5 MA overnight. 30-minute chart, well, barely 70 points, isn't it? Let's just have a look for yesterday. Let's go from the high down to the low of the session, and you can see 62 points, neither use nor ornament with that sort of range. If you're on an intraday basis, you need a bit more than that. So the market sideways, very quiet, like I say, and then overnight the markets are finding support at the DP. Had a bit of a move up there following the FOMC meeting minutes, which, as the news headline said, had little impact on the market. S&P 500, exactly the same picture, sideways for yesterday, inside bar, market quiet, and there's the inside of yesterday as well, market moving lower. As it said in the other headline about market giving back some gains from Monday. Market sideways there, below the DP, which I'm surprised by. It might come back above there, but finding support at the close. In the FT 100, today we've got the autumn statement, which means the autumn budget. Again, the market sideways at the moment, stuck in a range, getting narrower. Obviously waiting for what Hunt's got to say. 30-minute charts down yesterday from the start, and then up, and then just sideways and up a bit and above the DP, and bouncing off the close there at the moment, just trying to get back above that 50 EMA and the 20 and the 5. They're converging, which means it's also very quiet. In the US dollar, still moving down. Probably will until Monday, and then turn a corner there and move back to the upside. So in the metals, still sideways, bit of supply for yesterday in the silver market, so buying back some positions, staying above the 200 MA at the moment as well, which is useful. 30-minute chart, you can see the markets are reacting to the news mid-morning, and prices up there, and currently sitting on the DP and the close. In the gold market, also nice move up yesterday. We've got that triple top that we need to take out there and get back above the $2,000 per ounce. 30 minutes, again, you can see like silver, the market moving to the upside, stuck it in a sideways range overnight, finding support at the DP level there. So in the gold-silver ratio, a bit of red at the moment, which is positive for the silver market. It means it's moving better than gold percentage-wise, but otherwise stuck in a sideways range as well. Let's have a quick look at yesterday's basic trades. Like I say, very, very quiet, so barely any movement, and if there is, they tend to be losses. So let's just have a quick look at this as well. So as I warned in yesterday's alerts, Thanksgiving can be very difficult to trade when it's quiet. As can be seen here, the market opening, we had potential buy. We got up through the 200 MA, then the market started to make its way back through this. And you'll see then we got into a range. We had a potential sell, but we got support at the DP, second lot of support, and then the market coming back and taking out the stop. And then we just got into a range, as can be seen there. It just traded sideways, and as we saw earlier, it was only a 62-point range for the whole of the day. And in the afternoon, once again, we see the market put in a potential buy signal, and then eventually the market makes its way back down and takes it out. And where does it come back to? The DP. So again, you can see how the DP was used yesterday to hold prices, and then even not reacting to the news, and the market then drifting lower later on in the session just before the 4:30 cutoff there. So yeah, not a lot to report there. Let's have a quick look at the overnight for the German DAX. So in the 2-minute charts, you can see again DP being used as a support area, and we've got resistance above with the 50 EMA, the 200 MA, and then the R1 as well, but very quiet, and expect this to continue throughout today as well, unless something comes out of the blue that moves the market. But yesterday, Tuesday, is notoriously quiet, because all of the news has been absorbed from Monday and during Monday's trading session from the weekend. So Tuesday, if there's no major news and holiday, then it's not really going to move much. So we might get a bit more movement today, but if we do, hopefully it'll be in one direction. But otherwise, markets quiet, waiting for the celebrations. There'll be half-day trading today, limited hours. Tomorrow, the US market is closed. Friday, limited hours, and then Monday, we go back to normal. So like I say, depending on what happens today, it may be a case of down tools and wait until Monday's trading session and take advantage of it. So let's see what happens during today, and fingers crossed we'll get a bit more volatility. That's it for this one. Have a great day, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.